Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a line segment tool. Hold Shift and draw the line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Select this line, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Now hold Ctrl and press D for more duplicate. Select this line, go to Edit, copy and paste in front. Hold Shift and rotate this line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Now select all lines and drag Shape Builder tool. Pick up the fill color, now the stroke color, and draw your design. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.